Good morning. It's Saturday and the waves have died down considerably. So I'm gonna film for a little bit and then gonna go back up to the hotel room, get my fins, get out in this water. A couple of clean ones. A couple of clean ones.
Rub your belly. Ah, you got me.
A few moments later.
Well, we just got out of the water and it was
I'm wet.
It was big out there. For me, it was big out there. It was like 5 feet. I don't like big waves. I'm a chicken. Got one shitty one and 2 sick ones. Can't wait to go back out there. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit smaller. Hopefully I'll get back out there again. Maybe bring the GoPro, but today was more just feeling out the wave. On to adventure number 2. Got our helmets again. Got all freshened up. You ready to rock, brah?
Let's be safe out there, fam.
Safety first, especially when you're riding a motorcycle that barely stops in Mexico. Yeah! Burp, burp, burp. Gotta get your vlog on, get it on, get it on.
Get that vlog on, boy.
So we just got to this little beach. Oh man, look at this thing. This is crazy. It's a little cove. I don't know what the name of this cove is, but I'm gonna find out. I can't go anywhere. Random chick number 485. Oh, she's got a boyfriend. Oh, she's got a boyfriend.
No comprehende.
We're about to embark on greatness right now. Nice. Everybody goes crazy. Did it get you?
Okay, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Oh, there he goes.
Still laughing.
Oh, she's giggling like crazy. Guy's a savage. Oh, he's getting the digits. He's interrupting their dinner and getting the digits.